Everybody's queuing, waiting to have the photo. Going together. Wow. Oh my God. The queue is so big. Good midday from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in the Gianyar Regency here in Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is Bali's most sexiest waterfall, a place called Kanto Lampo. So it is actually quite some time since I've actually visited Kanto Lampo Waterfall, quite a few years I think now. When I first started the channel, I did actually focus primarily on all of the nature type areas, waterfalls, any outdoor activities and all things of that nature. Gradually progressed now to the streets and the food and the hotels and all the things what I do currently. I'm going to be heading back now, I think, towards some of the outdoor activities and sort of like putting you some day itineraries together and places that you can visit during your holiday here in Bali. So today's video, I'm here at the Kanto Lampo Waterfall here in Gianyar. This is a very popular, or was a very popular waterfall. I'm anticipating it to be as popular as today as well as it was last time I was here, judging by the amount of cars that are in the car park, which I've seen prior to making this introduction. So I'm going to start at the main entrance where the car park is, show you around the car park. There is car parking for cars and motorbike. There's no actual fee for cars or motorbike here. It's a 25,000 admission ticket to Kanto Lampo Waterfall itself. And I think there's a few rungs and things that line the pathway leading down to the actual waterfall. So we'll take all those in along the way also. Some picture perfect moment opportunities as well, some like heart structures and things of that nature as you're walking down to have your Instagram pictures taken. And then when you get down to the waterfall itself, you've got a beautiful, magnificent waterfall. And I think the system, how it works now, after talking at the information desk at the top there, how it works now is you actually have a ticket number and queue up, and they've created some platforms actually on the waterfall now. Before, when I first come, it was a very dangerous waterfall, very slippy. Everybody used to just sort of like take care of themselves, take their own pictures. That seems to be different now. They've created a bamboo bridge across to a certain area right in the sort of like the middle of the waterfall, where you stand, do your poses, have your pictures taken, and the staff from the Kanto Lampo Waterfall is actually in the water taking the pictures for you, and then you get them from the ticket office upon sort of like after you've had your photos taken. There's a little ticket booth where you can go and collect your photos from. So I shall show you everything in today's video. There is actually a river that runs along the base of the waterfall. You can swim in that also. On the other side, Kanto Lampo is on one side. On the other side, you have like a little bathing pool as well. That tends to be also where the people actually bathe in the river. Also in that area, it's a little bit more shallow. So I'll take everything in today's video. Have actually brought the drone with me, but I've just had a look around prior to making this introduction. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to take the drone up because it's a very confined space in and around the waterfall area, and there's a lot of people down there as well. So I don't want to risk losing sort of like the signal or anything on the drone when there's a lot of people hanging around waiting to have the pictures taken at the actual Kanto Lampo Waterfall itself. So without any further ado, let's go and share with you Bali's most sexy waterfall, Kanto Lampo. Okay, so here we are, arrived at Kanto Lampo Waterfall. Here's the parking area now. Motorbike parking is there. Car parking is here. This is the main entrance over here. I'll just take you over here first of all. Show you we have some local shops here. Snacks and drinks available. Coconuts. More snacks, drinks, cold drinks. Some clothing there in the corner. Just walk through the car park. So this car park's pretty full actually with cars. Seating area up there. And here's the entrance now. Kanto Lampo Waterfall. So this is like the registration. It's not the ticket counter, this, it's just a registration. There's some information here with the waterfall. It's very dark. TV there as well. Kanto Lampo, clear water versus rain. There's the information. So the information, this is just registration for waterfall. We're going to walk down the steps and the pathway to the waterfall. All recycling bins there. Some nice little seating areas to the side here. Oh, a plastic bottle bin there. So this is under renovation. Wow, that's big gardens. A big monster there. And then this is new. This wasn't here last time I come. Have a few little shops. Look at the rungs and things at the back here. Tables and chairs. Then we have the plastic here. Just show you there's a menu here, so I'll just show you what kind of foods and drinks are available. And the prices as well. They're reasonably priced. Drinks and some foods. Seating areas all the way along. I'm going to go this way down to the waterfall. Little shops in the back there. More garden seating areas here. And yeah, waterfall this way. A love heart there for a picture perfect moment. Some birds in the cage in the back there. Only pigeons. And a waterfall this way. Go waterfall. And then we're going to reach the road in a minute. Okay, so just after coming down the steps now we meet the roadway here. This is the final stretch now down to Kanto Lampo. A few little shops here again, ice creams, soft drinks. A lot of little rungs and places here look to be closed. Some tourists just walking up the street. One rung here, one the Tukrad. Nice little seating area. I'm just making a video, thank you. Oh, there's a rung seating area there. And just continuing on from that rung. Little areas here. A little shop. A few people coming up from the waterfall. And fresh young coconuts. Hello, how are you, madam? And here's where we get a ticket from. So ticket counter here. The ticket counter there. Here's the prices, 25,000. Oh, there's your counter. Okay, so there's my ticket, 25,000. And now we're going to head down to the waterfall. So you have a ticket checkpoint just down here, this building here. Here it is, your little ticket checkpoint. Okay, thank you. So we're given this as well now. A few tourists and visitors here. Another little restaurant to the side here. Most wine, 80k. Cocktails, buy one, get one free, 90k. A seating area in there. And just at the entrance to the restaurant here, some funky looking stonework. And we're going to continue down the path now to the waterfall. A temple to the side here. This is the photo service booth there where you need to get your tickets for your photo at the waterfall. Temples and things all around here. So the waterfall is actually to the right. We'll just go to the left and have a view here first of all. With the waterfall to the last. There's a little bathing pool down here, yes there is. There's some showers as well here. And showers. It's beautiful stone. And a zigzag staircase. People just lay relaxing in the river on this side. A little bathing pool here. We'll walk along the side here. We'll maybe take the drone through here and see if we can see. Okay, just back up to the top here now. So we have some locker facilities here. If you want to store your stuff while you go down to the waterfall. Lockers. 10k for the locker. Oh, they actually have the cake. So you can buy these little covers here for 15,000 from the desk by the lockers if you need to protect your phone. Pieces there. Oh. Taking a photo. Continuing down the stairs now to the waterfall. Oh my God, the queue is so big. Wow. Okay, so there's a full view on the Kanto Lampo. People having the pictures taken. And all the poses. Everybody's queuing, waiting to have the photo. Wow, this is a popular waterfall. Oh, we have 3 girls now going together. Wow. Look where the water's running to from here at Kanto Lampo. People posing on here for the photos. Wow. Interesting. Can't zoom any more than that with the camera, unfortunately. Wow. couple photo now. A couple there now. Look at the crowds waiting for the photo taken. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my visit to Kanto Lampo Waterfall here in the Guyana Regency. So as you saw with the camera in today's video, very popular, very busy waterfall. Lots of people queuing there to have their Instagram photos taken on the waterfall itself. Like I say, it is very, very different now, the waterfall, to when I come many years ago. Many years ago, you used to take all of your own photos. It was actually quite dangerous and slippy on the waterfall. Looks as though they put platforms there in the waterfall now to make it more safe for people standing on the actual waterfall, being in the waterfall, connecting with nature and having your Instagram photo poses on your little platform there. Really, really beautiful place. Lots of people, like you saw with the camera, queuing up. There is a queuing system. You have to get your tickets down from the office where I pointed to you, just opposite the restaurant down the stairs there. Get your tickets, queue up there, and then the staff take your photos while they're stood in the water, and you just go and stand in the waterfall and do all of your different poses, and then you collect your photographs after. So it's nice to see you've got a few little rungs and things here. You can get some simple food, soft drinks and all things of that nature. On the other side of Kanto Lampo, you had like a little bathing pool area. People were bathing in the river also. Just a really, really great place to add to a day trip, or just solely Kanto Lampo during your holiday time here in Bali. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and I shall say bye for now.